Forecast.
And there's the view from the Charlottesville camera here on a Thursday evening. We had an early start to some of those showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, and temperatures currently are in the 70s after we touched in the upper 80s and low 90s. Let's take a look at NBC29's Doppler radar network, and generally just some lighter showers are going to move back in. Some of the bigger storms that we dealt with earlier, thankfully we didn't have any major severe weather, but we were under a severe thunderstorm watch. Most of the activity kind of developed well to our east, but we did have some downpours. We're still not done with the rain, and we could still have some rumbles of thunder, but we're not anticipating severe weather now, and the watch box has been really just whittled away from northwest to southeast. So that's kind of what's left of it. You can see those bigger storms now exiting the Delmarva. They're still back toward Richmond, and we still have more rain in association with the cold front that's still well to our north and west. So again, essentially the watch has ended. We're still under a flash flood watch for a few portions of central Virginia till early tomorrow morning. That could be canceled early, but again, some additional rain is expected. Here we go with the temperature right now at the airport. 79, made it up to 93 this afternoon before the storms developed. And here in downtown Charlottesville, we had a storm shortly after the noontime hour. 74 at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. There is a little bit of thinning of the cloud cover, but more showers working their way back in. Currently, we've got 77 in Madison, 75 in Palmyra, 76 in Dillwyn, 72 in Waynesboro, and for the most part tonight we'll see numbers in the mid to upper 60s. Some areas of fog to develop as well. So our best chance of rain will be later tonight and into the early morning hours of Friday. During the afternoon tomorrow, we should start to see more in the way of some clearing, but a pop-up shower or two is still possible, but the humidity will be dropping as we move deeper into the day. How about upper 70s to low 80s, and really a nice Independence holiday weekend. It will not be as hot. The humidity will be down. Temperatures on Saturday pretty much either side of 80, and on Sunday, Independence Day, we're talking about numbers in the low and middle 80s, and Saturday morning we'll have temperatures down in the 50s. So the main cold front is still back across western Pennsylvania, back into portions of southeast Ohio. That will be coming through basically in the morning hours, so additional rain is still possible tonight, but that's going to sink a little farther south and east. There will be a little disturbance back behind the front, but most of the showers with that kind of be confined to the northeast. But look at these cooler numbers, certainly a big difference from what we were looking at the other day. Back across the Ohio Valley, temperatures are well in the 70s, and that's not rain cooled, that's just the air mass that's beginning to settle in. This is ELSA. I know you're going to think of Disney's Elsa from Frozen. This is Tropical Storm Elsa headed toward the Windward and Leeward Islands, moving pretty quickly. Forecast to remain a tropical storm, but impact the Leeward and Windward Islands and into the Caribbean by Monday. Could certainly have an impact on South Florida. Where it goes beyond that, we'll continue to monitor. Many days away, and a lot can happen between now and then. In the short term, we're still going to deal with some rain here tonight and in the morning, and the front will slide through during the morning hours. We'll start to get a little bit of clearing, but then we could still pop a shower or two during the afternoon. There we are around 3, 4 o'clock, but not everyone sees rain. And then look at this. Early Saturday morning, we're in the 50s to start. Saturday afternoon, upper 70s to low 80s. So some additional rain here tonight with showers, some rumbles of thunder. Temperatures will slide into the 60s, some areas of fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. A better Independence holiday weekend with a drop at not only in the temperatures but the humidity, and it looks pretty nice as we head through the next several days. And we'll see more return of heat and humidity, another heat wave in the making by early next week.
Outstanding. Thank you, Eric.